The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is getting all the buzz, but is it really your only high-end Android option? Today I'm breaking down 5 Android phones that might just outshine the S25 Edge, depending on what you care about most. Number 5, meet the Google Pixel 8 Pro, a phone that's redefining what a smartphone camera can do. If you want the best AI-powered camera experience available today, this is the phone to beat. Google's relentless focus on computational photography means you get jaw-dropping results every single time you press the shutter. Features like Magic Editor let you transform your photos with a tap, while Best Take ensures everyone looks their best in group shots. Super Res Zoom brings distant subjects closer without losing detail, making it perfect for travel, events, or everyday moments. The Pixel 8 Pro also nails the software experience. You get a clean, bloat-free version of Android, and Google promises an incredible 7 years of updates, far outlasting most competitors and keeping your phone secure and up-to-date. Compared to Samsung's One UI, the Pixel's interface is noticeably faster, more intuitive, and always first in line for the latest Android features and security patches. For still photos, especially in challenging lighting conditions like night or indoors, the Pixel 8 Pro consistently delivers sharp, vibrant images that other phones struggle to match. Video quality has also seen a big leap forward, with improved stabilization and richer colors, making it a great choice for content creators and casual users alike. If you want a phone that just nails photos, keeps getting better with updates, and stays fresh for years, the Pixel 8 Pro is a top pick that's hard to beat. Number 4, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the phone that truly tries to do it all, and for many it succeeds. It's the everything phone, with a massive, ultra-bright display that's perfect for streaming, gaming, or productivity. Under the hood, you get a top-tier processor that handles anything you throw at it, a huge battery for all-day use, and the iconic S Pen, which transforms the phone into a creative and productivity powerhouse. The S24 Ultra's camera system is still one of the best in the business, offering advanced zoom capabilities, high megapixel counts, and pro-level features for both photos and videos. Whether you're capturing landscapes or close-ups, it delivers stunning results. By the time the S25 Edge drops, the S24 Ultra will be even more affordable, but it'll still pack more features than most new phones, especially if you value the S Pen or want the absolute best camera hardware Samsung offers. It's a device that ages gracefully. Sometimes last year's flagship is still the smarter buy, offering nearly all the latest features at a much better price and with proven reliability. If you want the ultimate Samsung experience, don't overlook the Ultra. It's a powerhouse that continues to impress, even as new models arrive. Number 3, OnePlus 12. OnePlus is all about speed, blazing fast charging top Snapdragon chip, and Oxygen OS for a super smooth, bloat-free experience. You can go from empty to full battery in under 30 minutes, and the charger's usually in the box. The interface feels faster and lighter than Samsung's, and gaming or multitasking is effortless. The camera, co-developed with Hasselblad, keeps getting better. If you want a flagship that feels fast every single day, OnePlus 12 is hard to beat. It's the phone for speed lovers. Number 2, Xiaomi 14 Pro. If you want the most hardware for your money, this is it. Latest Snapdragon, tons of RAM, super bright AMOLED, and crazy fast charging. The Leica-tuned camera system is versatile and powerful, often with bigger sensors than rivals. You get flagship specs at a lower price than Samsung or Apple. HyperOS is packed with features and customization, though it's a different flavor than stock Android. For pure value and raw power, Xiaomi 14 Pro is tough to beat. It's the spec lover's dream. Number 1, ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra. This phone might not be the first name that comes to mind when you think of flagship smartphones, but it absolutely deserves your attention. ASUS isn't the obvious choice, but the Zenfone 11 Ultra is a true battery beast, packing a massive battery that easily powers through even the busiest days. It's loaded with top-tier specs, and its surprisingly ergonomic design means it feels great in your hand, even during long gaming or streaming sessions. Compared to other flagship phones, the Zenfone 11 Ultra often outlasts the competition, giving you more screen time and less worry about charging. Despite its powerhouse performance, it still fits comfortably in your hand, making it practical for everyday use. What really sets it apart are the unique features, like the rare inclusion of a headphone jack, advanced audio options for music lovers, and gaming extras that enhance your experience whether you're a casual or hardcore gamer. The camera system boasts innovative stabilization for smooth video, and the software is refreshingly clean, fast, and free of unnecessary clutter, making everyday tasks a breeze. If you're looking for something different from the usual crowd, with killer battery life and thoughtful features that actually make a difference, the Zenfone 11 Ultra is a standout choice. The Zenfone 11 Ultra is the sleeper hit of the year, a true unconventional powerhouse you definitely shouldn't ignore. So those are my top 5 alternatives to the Galaxy S25 Edge. Whether you want AI camera magic, ultimate productivity, pure speed, max specs for your money, or a unique powerhouse, there's an Android for you. Don't just follow the hype, explore your options. Which one would you pick? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.